Hi guys, I am disassembling electronic cards. This is Alchemistry at home. Okay guys, you see this is electronic cards. I remove the main cards. You see, I will remove all microchips and base cards. You see this one, this is full of gold, and all the scraps will turn the gold. All microchips and integrate cards, main cards, have been burned. You see, burned by LPG flame I did. Then we will make it very small pieces like a sand soon. Grinding operation going on for microchips and some main cards parts. Oh, I'm tired. But it is a very exciting job. I need dust of chips. Then I will proceed the chemical operations. Okay, boiling water. With boiling water we will clean up, wash the pulp, microchip pulp. You see, shake it and clean up. Hot water may take some impurities or some unvaluable metals. It should be done maybe 10 times, I advise. I applied nitric acid and reaction started to our washed sample. Nitric acid with our washed sample, reaction is going on. Now boiling going on with aqua regia. After that we will filter it. Aqua regia boiling with my microchip and cards. Very interesting view. Hopefully gold is melting inside. Hopefully. God knows. After aqua regia application, aqua regia is dropping down now. I hope inside this solution gold. Hopefully. God knows.